Whether you drive a gas or diesel vehicle, a well-maintained fuel system is essential for power, efficiency, and reliability. After you've filled up your vehicle, the fuel is sent to the engine by an electric pump, usually inside the fuel tank. There may be a filter between the tank and the engine to catch any particles that are floating in the fuel. Some vehicles also have an extra mechanical pump that's driven by the engine to raise the fuel pressure even further before it's sprayed into the engine through the fuel injectors. As a result of the heat in the engine and other factors, some deposits can eventually build up on fuel injectors and in other parts of the engine. These deposits can cause increased exhaust emissions, reduced fuel economy, and drivability problems. The specially formulated detergents we use in our fuel system cleaning service will break down carbon deposits, cleaning the intake valves, the combustion chamber, and your fuel injectors. By performing this service as part of your routine maintenance, you can avoid the formation of heavy deposits that can lead to expensive repairs, and your vehicle will maintain its performance and fuel economy to keep you driving safely and reliably.